Why does your scanner show the P0591 engine code? What does it mean? P0591 is a diagnostic trouble code for cruise control, multifunction input B, circuit range, or performance. The P0591 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an irregular voltage, resistance, or conflicting signals in the cruise control switch or wiring. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty cruise control switch, damaged wiring or connections, faulty clock spring, blown fuses, faulty servo or vehicle speed sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Chevrolet, Ford, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.